A chest is where you can keep things. Why are you taking a video of me?
Because I want to hear your cool song.
Oh no, you can keep stuff on top of it. Some people keep the banks and monkey jars and belts and lights up there. Some people put the clocks up above it. We do. And we also have gotten and I gotta fix some stuff too. Well, take care of my stuff I built, and I'll fix the rest of it later. You know, chest and